Temple of Sound. I drifted from the Temple of Sound too long, and forgot how silence curdles in the mind until it's washed clean by creation's pulse. My essence must roam the resonant wilderness, tracing ghost tones through the root and ruin, brushing the memory of wings cut in dew and filament. Hours dissolve, lifetimes contract into breaths, and I sometimes forget the shape of my own strength. How easily shadows pretend to be kings. Their borrowed glare dims, and from fractured mirrors we ascend, sacred, untamed, becoming sky. No gate of noise or venom will tether me to falseness. The universe bends towards those who remember they are infinite. My crown is forged of light, unseen but undeniable. My treasure, beyond measure, exists where flesh cannot follow. I strayed from the chamber of sound for an age, and the mind forgot its own medicine, how turbulence thins and clears when it's poured into vibration. A hidden part of me slips back into the humming wild, following stray frequencies through rusted roots and hollowed bark. Fingertips grazed by the ghosts of wings, the sleep of cocoons. Time buckles, stretches, folds into itself, and in that warping I sometimes misplace the memory of my own ferocity, letting painted fathoms loom like sovereigns. Their counterfeit shimmering loosens, their throne reveals its borrowed bones, and from the splintered glass of their image we rise together, sky-colored and storm-fed, speaking in light. No corridor of poison nor carnival of masks will convince me to bow to a script that cages the soul. The unseen architect of the cosmos leans towards those who remember their enormity. My circlet forms from quiet fire, untouched by grasping hands. What belongs to me lives far beyond flesh and ledger, an opulence that breathes in the spaces thought cannot map.